So guys, we are at the beach, so you can see. So there we are. This is your power. Welcome to Mombasa. This is Nyali beach in Mombasa. It's one of the beaches in Mombasa. We have another one in Pirates Beach. We have another beach in Bamburi. We have Diani, though Diani is very far from Mombasa. So come guys. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment. Don't forget to leave a comment. Nile tu nimeogopa kuogelea. Ingekuwa wewe ungeogelea. By the way, I forgot to come with my shot. That's why I just decided not to swim, because I forgot my shot. And here, people are paying. So you pay, I don't know, 100 shillings or 250. Then you're given a shot to swim. That is to use when swimming. So we also have a boat, as you can see behind me. Behind me there is a boat. Yeah, can you see? There is a boat. You can see probably this side. Yeah, we have boats. So you can ride on a boat. You can also do what? You can also ride a camel. There is a camel here, ngamia. So unapanda ngamia and you pay. And I think it's quite expensive to ride a ngamia. That is a camel, but you can pay. Remember, when you come to Mombasa, you're just coming to enjoy. So enjoying life is not easy, my friends. Enjoying life is not easy, my friends. So you will have to pay. You have to pay. So you have to pay. So when you come here, you can also pay for a boat ride. Like personally, the first time I came this side, I bought a boat. I don't have money to buy a boat. But I took a boat ride, and it was 2000. I guess, yeah, 2000. It was 2000. And the boat ride was 2 hours. Yeah, it was 2 hours in the ocean. The ocean, this ocean, yes, this ocean, I guess. The Indian Ocean, yeah. The Indian Ocean. So it was 2 hours. So here we are. So we have a resort there. You can see the resort, yeah. So that's the resort. That's it. Behind me. So there. That's it. And so we have some good girls. Yeah, you can see behind. You can see behind me. You can see. Yeah. Can you see? Can you see anything? Yeah. I think you can see. Yeah. And so so that is the resort. That one where we have coconut trees. We call them what? Madafu. By the way, I've taken madafu. That thing is overrated. In a taste vibaya. A lot of salt. I think it's salty. Yeah, it's salty because I've seen even outside the so-called madafu. Oh, chumvi kitoka. So it is salty because you know this is an ocean, and an ocean has salty water. So we expect even the plants that grow near the ocean to be salty. Watu wa geography mnajua hiyo, yeah? Watu wa geography mnajua hiyo, that the ocean is salty, and hence even most of the plants that grow near the ocean are also salty. So basically, the areas at the coast are salty. I even tasted the water. The tap water. The tap water is salty. The tap water is salty, and it tastes so bad. I don't know how many have tasted salty water. So if you have tasted salty water, it tastes bad. Yeah, it tastes bad. Yeah, it's necessary. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. We are releasing that new song. The song is called Nikona Form. So that's the new song. A good number of you have done the challenge. Thank you for those who have done the challenge. That is on TikTok. The people who have done the challenge, thank you so much. Let us push the audio. Actually, I'm releasing the audio soon. I think next week. Then the video will also follow. Remember the video. The video will feature so many celebs. Yeah, so many celebs. Expect somebody like Ainea. You know Ainea? Yes, Ainea Naguera. We have